Hello class, this is Meena Sivaraman, College of Education, STEM Education, MEd student. And this week in our class, EAC 539, the discussion is about how YouTube is useful in online learning. After going through so many materials, I feel visual representation is surely going to help in online learning. And regarding this, I have watched a video in YouTube presented by University of South Carolina, CTE, Centers for Teaching Excellence. And the video is about a rubric presented by QM. QM is Quality Matter Program. And they are helpful for assessing a course presented online. So now I'm going to give an overview of what is QM, why QM, and how it is helpful in assessing an online course. So what is QM? QM is Quality Matter Program. It started in 2003 as a grant by Maryland Inc. Maryland Inc. And then in 2007, they changed into a non-profit organization, and they support a lot of universities across globe. And in America, so many universities are subscribed or adapted QM standards. They are subscribers of QM program. And QM actually grants every faculty members a course so that they can be a reviewer of fellow faculty members' course material. So the the peer reviewer processing is consisting of 3 faculty members, and one should be a content expert. And what is a process? What are the steps in the process? It's like a faculty is submitting his or her course material for review, and then the reviewer will review it and give feedback. The feedback is whether it met all the standards of QM or it doesn't. If it is meeting the standards of QM, then the course material is at the satisfactory level, and it's okay to be presented online course. It's okay to be presented as an online course. And how they are grading this course material. The 3 faculty members will be grading it regarding the standards provided by QM. And the QM standards are 8 general standards. And these 8 general standards are subdivided into 41 standards, out of which 21 are essential standards. And these 21 essential standards are compulsory. They should be met compulsorily. All 21 essential standards are of 3 points. So there are points for each standards, and these essential standards are of 3-point value. So later ones, the other standards except these 21 are like 1 or 2 points. So when they are actually grading the course, like majority rules, if 2 faculty members are okay with the standard, if the course is satisfying this standard, then they are going to award all the 3 points for that particular standard. But if 2 of the faculty members felt that this course material doesn't follow the standard, then they get 0 points for that standard. And all the 41 standards are count up to 95 points, and the maximum points is 95. But for a course to be satisfactory, we actually need at least 81 points. That is 85% of the mark. If 95 is 100, then 81 will be 85% of the mark. So what are these 8 general standards? I'm not going deep into all the 41 standards, but I would like to give an overview of 8 general standards, because these 8 general standards are subdivided into 41 essential standards. So the first standard is the course overview and introduction. So overall design is clear to the student. Is the overall design of the course clear to the student? That is the first standard. And the second one is learning objectives. Are the objectives, learners' objectives, are clearly stated in the course. And third one is assessment and measurement. We are going to assess the student with reference to the objective we already mentioned. And measuring this should be integrated within the course. And this is the third standard. The fourth one is the instructional materials. The instruction materials we are going to provide is it comprehending, and is it helping the students to achieve the objectives, and that is the standard. And the next one is learners engagement and interaction. So here comes discussion forums or collaborations, how they are discussing and how well the discussions are incorporated within the course materials. The next one is the course technology, the LMS, what we are using for our courses, Moodle. So how it is helpful for a student navigating through the course. Is it ensuring the access of all the course components? Can the student access every components of the course? The next one, the seventh one is learner support. So the course should actually facilitate the institutional support which is required for a student to be successful. And the last one of the standard is accessibility. So how well a student can access everything in the course, like when can he be accessible, when the faculty can be available, the time availability, or how can they be contacted, how accessible is the course. That is what the last standard is about. And so I finally conclude that QM is really helpful, and while we are designing our online course, if we follow these standards, it will be a very, very satisfactory online course. Thank you, everyone.